G'day and welcome to the Autodata Training workshop. Today I've got another tech tip for you. How often do you get a customer in and say, that'd be right, just the day it's raining, I've got a flat battery? I've got a tip that may help diagnose what the cause is. I've got my voltmeter here, I'll turn it on to volts, and I'll see if it's the top of the battery that's causing the issue. So I'll just go on one of the posts and I'll just drag my meter in several locations across the top of the battery. You can see I've got no reading there. That's great, but I always test under the same conditions as what the customer got the problem. So what I should do is simulate some dampness on top of the battery. And I'll just go from one terminal and the other lead just drag it across the battery. That's quite good there. So just keep dragging it around. 0.1, 0.15, not going to cause a real problem. Look at that, 11.85 volts, 11.84, and have a look where my terminal is. Now that's a common cause for the battery to go flat, and that's why they go flat when it's raining. The moisture settles on top of the battery. Particularly bad in marine environment with the boats. That's why boat batteries are usually covered to stop that. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Or if you'd like to have access to our full library, why not get an Autodata Training subscription today? Thanks for watching.